Hi, welcome back to EducateTube.com. My name is Sipsky, your host. Today I'll be showing you how to hook up your Play Memory app to your Sony a7r3, a9, as well as a7 III. The reason you want to do that is because now you have an app that allows you to view what you're trying to shoot. So this is like an external monitor, so you can actually control it via Wi-Fi. So you control the aperture, the shutter speed, as well as the ISO, and many other features as well. You even have self-timer. It's a very cool feature. In fact, you can also control the video as well. So not just photo, but also video. You can record video, change the ISO, the f-stop, even the shutter speed. So pretty neat to have, and especially you want to see where you put your camera. It acts like a external monitor. Okay, let's get started. Okay, so the first thing you want to do is make sure you download the Play Memory mobile app from Sony. So go to Google Play and download that. I already done it. And then make sure you turn on your Wi-Fi. Okay. Next thing is turn on your camera, the Sony a7r3 or the Sony a7 III or the Sony a9. And what you want to do is go to the menu, click on the menu here, and go to network. Here's a globe. Okay, so it's a 1, 2, 3, the globe. It's called network 1, and go down to control with smartphone. Click on that. Make sure the control smartphone is on, and then press connection. Now, some people like to put always connected. I don't do that because I think it might drain the battery. So I'm just going to leave that off for now. I might change in the future. So now what we want to do is connection, okay? And then what you do is on your Wi-Fi network, make sure you scan, try to locate the, there we go, this Sony a7r3. It's called direct, and then all these letters and all that, and you'll recognize it'll go a7rm3. Okay, and click on that and just press connect. And just wait a bit, and there we go. Both are now in sync. Okay, then you can click on the Play Memory app, and there we go. Okay, so you can see it works perfectly now. Okay, so if I move my camera around, I could literally see it. So that's pretty cool. So right now it's set to photo mode, so it's on manual M. So really the control, how you want to control in video mode or in camera mode, is on this dial here. Okay, so right now it's on photo mode, so manual, and this is what you can control. You see here, I can control the shutter speed, right? So it's a slider back and forth here. I control the f-stop. Okay, so I can change aperture. I can control also the ISO back and forth like that. Okay, there's other options, so I can change the white balance. This one is a self-timer. You can have 2, 5, 10, right? And then of course menu has other features as well. You can go and check that yourself, but I'm just going to go briefly through the menu. Now you can see that right now it's in photo mode. If I press this here, it will take a picture. There we go. You see that? So you actually can control this wirelessly, and then what the image is now shown on your smartphone as well as in your camera. Now what I want to do is I want to switch to the video mode. So change it to that symbol there, the film, that's video, and now it's automatically set to video as well. And how you know it's video, you have this red dot in the center of the circle. Now you're on video. So right now everything is set up just like the camera. You have the shutter speed, you have the f-stop, the aperture, and the ISO. And then if you want to record, just press this button here. Voila. And then it shows here as being recorded. Okay. Now, if you look under menu, let me stop this for a minute. Let's see what you have. Let me see. You can change the movie format. You can change the recording codec, you know, the type of megabits, right? The codecs actually, sorry, it's in here. You can go AVCHD and the XAVC 4K as well. You can do that. Okay. You can also do the mirror mode off or on there, white balance. Okay. But I would suggest that you might want to adjust in the camera if it's not found in this feature in this smartphone. Okay. So work around the camera and see there's something that you cannot manipulate through the smartphone. You might have to do it through the camera. But I think the basic function like the ISO, the f-stop, the shutter speed, the white balance, are all there for video recording. Okay, so that's pretty cool to have that feature. And one other thing I like about this is also that you can rotate the image as well. You can go this way. For example, if you have gimbal or stand, you can do that way. See, any way you want. It's pretty neat. Okay, and that's the really basic function of this app, and I think it's very useful for Sony a7r3, Sony a7 III, and the a9. I think the Sony a7S III that's going to be coming out will probably be able to work with this Play Memory app as well, but we'll wait for that to come out and then we'll try that out. Okay, but other than that, thank you for watching. Next time I'll be showing you, maybe if you like, let me know, a5000, but there's actually a couple of videos on YouTube already that did that, so that's why I'm not going to repeat it. This is the reason I'm doing this is because there's not many video out there showing you how to connect the Play Memory app to your Sony a7r3 or the Sony a7 III or even the Sony a9. All right, thanks for watching EducateTube.com.